BitPay Honest Review Crypto Investor Look before you use it. Most crypto investors are familiar with wallets and exchanges, but BitPay offers a unique approach to spending cryptocurrency safely and efficiently. BitPay is a payment service that allows users to pay merchants, convert crypto to dollars, and manage cards linked to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. One standout feature is its prepaid debit card, which enables users to spend crypto anywhere. That accepts Visa, bridging the gap between digital and traditional currency. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto payments are always instant and fee-free. The surprising truth is that BitPay charges transaction and conversion fees, and processing times depend on blockchain confirmation. Understanding fees is critical for cost management. Another advantage is security. BitPay uses multi-factor authentication, private key storage, and secure wallets to protect funds. It also integrates with popular accounting and invoicing systems for businesses accepting crypto payments. However, there are considerations. Crypto market volatility can affect the value of funds stored or spent through BitPay. Users also need to be comfortable with wallet management and the risk of irreversible transactions. In conclusion, BitPay is a practical solution for crypto investors looking to spend digital assets in the real world, but users must be aware of fees, security, and volatility. With proper understanding, it bridges crypto and everyday spending efficiently. Subscribe for more honest crypto and fintech reviews before making financial decisions.